Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day. And today I am going to be showing you a quick and easy twist for your hair. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. Today's video is a special request from Missy B London. Go check out her channel. She's a content creator. She has a lot of hair care, skin products, and a great blog. She shows you sometimes around London, and she's got a great Instagram. So check her out. Tell her I say hi. But she asked me a long time ago to show you how to do a little twist that I do that is super simple. Basically, I have my hair is straight right now, so it should be easier because it's straight. And what I do is I pull all my hair over to one side, and what I'm going to do is twist it instead of braiding it. So it should be as detangled as possible, because if not, it's just a mess, especially because it's so long. And what I do is that I grab some hair from over here, and I'm going to twist it with the next patch. You'll see what I mean. It's very easy. It is not a braid, it's a twist. So I grab this, and then I grab the next one, and I twist under and over. Now the one that went under is going to be put together with the next batch, and I twist. See? And now again, this one that is over is going to be with the next batch, and you just keep doing that all the way through. You just keep doing that. The one that is going to go down here, you are putting it together with the next new batch. And I have never been able to do very good French braids, but I found these to be a lot easier for me to do. And they're also really good if you want to have your hair wavy, because it kind of helps set your hair. You can do all your hair on one side, or you can just do both. You could split your hair like down the middle and do one side here and one side here. Now of course, if I was doing this in my mirror, I would be able to see more of what I'm doing, but I'm not. I'm doing it on the viewfinder, so it makes it difficult. Now you'll see that I'm pulling my hair from the other side, because the only thing that has some tension is this part here in the front. So once I get to this part down here, when I'm at the nape of my neck, I'm ready to pull a little more tension. And at this point, I can do a regular braid, because I know how to do a regular braid. So I can do a regular braid down here, and I end up having a hairstyle that is pretty easy, and it has a little bit of a twist to it. Excuse the pun. But it's not that difficult to do, and it's cute. At least I think so. So this is great for going to the beach, or especially if it's hot outside and you want your hair tied up, but a ponytail every day gets a little boring. So you don't have to put it on a ponytail. And that's it. Thank you, Missy B. So check out her channel. Tell her I say hi. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.